Watch until the end because Elite Car Wraps has a gift for you. I'm Luca of AM Lawn Services, and we're here with Elite Car Wraps for another episode of What's the Tea?
Well, my name is Jacob. I'm the owner of Elite Car Wraps, and here where we wrap cars, trucks, trailers for personal and commercial use.
What's your favorite part about Las Cruces?
That there's no traffic.
If you could choose between grass, turf, or a desert landscape of rocks and cacti, which one would you choose?
Xeriscape.
We are a customer of Elite Car Wraps. We used Elite Car Wraps. I was really impressed with just their customer service, professionalism. They're friendly, and also their prices. They got back to me pretty quickly as well. So I think after 2 months of researching where to get our car wraps, we chose Elite Car Wraps. I called Jacob at Elite Car Wraps, the phone number that showed up on Google, and I got an immediate response, and I asked for a quote, was able to send all my information in, and he turned around a quote within an hour. So it was great. When did you start Elite Car Wraps?
2017. Before that I was a graphic designer.
How can people contact Elite Car Wraps for any car wrapping services that you provide?
You can walk in to the shop at 2001 Copper Loop Suite 6, or find us on Google and Facebook, or our website, which is www.elitecarwrapsinlc.com. Monday through Friday, 9 to 4.
What you're watching here is Elite Car Wraps working on our AM Lawn Services fourth vehicle or trailer. They did 1 trailer, 1 SUV, and 2 trucks. So this is the second truck right here, and Alex did an amazing job.
Mention AM Lawn Services for 10% off your next purchase.
AM Lawn Services provides lawn and landscaping services to Las Cruces and West El Paso and all the communities in between. You can contact us on our website or call us on the phone.
I'm very enthusiastic about this new Sarah Watts collection called Fire Glow. It's a dragon collection, very Tolkien-esque.
Next week, I talked to Michael and Ann of Threadbare, Las Cruces' biggest fabric shop. And that's the tea with AM Lawn Services.